Welcome to Breck on a spring kind of pow day. Like, it's got some fresh snow. We're hoping the upper part of the mountain opens up. Currently it's closed, so they have limited what is running. As you can see, there's a chairlift not even moving above my head. So there's not a lot of options. We got peak 7 to kind of lap until more opens up. So enough talking. Let's find some lines. The snow honestly feels good. Oh, I missed it. We can get higher. We'll definitely find better snow. Especially since none of it's open, the chances of getting a fresh line. So keep watching this video, guys. All right, they opened up the T-bar. People are clearly were waiting at the T-bar and now we're going up there. So let's see if we can go up T-bar and get us a good little line. I think we'll find something. I'm fully expecting this T-bar line to be insane. T-bar line's not bad. I'm like on you. This is me and Cody's favorite spot. Right next to each other.
We love it.
Just as close as we can get.
Nuts to nuts.
You know what nuts to nuts makes me think of? Today! Sticker shout out. We got Sid with the Crazy Light sticker on the back of the helmet. Looking insane. Thank you so much, Sid, for supporting the dream, grabbing an Evolution sticker. Guys, if you want any of our stickers, we have so many colors and styles and versions for anybody's style out there. Even if your style is being a skier, we do have a ski version of all of our merch. If you snag it, tag me on Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shouts in the vlogs like we just did. And because I did that on the T-bar, you guys got to subscribe. Come on, let's be real. This is a goofy lift to do a sticker shout out.
That was
this this snow is
sticky.
Weird. It's like glass.
Oh no.
Come on.
Are you kidding me?
I've never been on this T-bar when it stopped, and it stopped on us twice. Not a bad view. Hopefully the snow is just as good. That was really good.
That was nice. You should have gone the way you went.
That's my older brother. I would definitely keep lapping that. My brother has a friend in town that T-bar is a little tough for him. So we're gonna go over to peak 6, see if we can get to the upper part of peak 6, see what we can find. That was good though. By the way, at Breck, all of peak 8 is now closed. It's really just peak 7, upper part of 8, and peak 6. There is a little terrain park. We might quickly scope that, but today's not a park day. It's an explore the mountain day. I'm hyped on that line. Those are some good turns. You. Alright, here's the little Breckenridge train park. I'm actually happy they built something. They got a jump? Oh, it's a donkey. I'll take that now. Thanks, Cody. Alright, see if we can find anything on Peak 6. They just opened the Peak 6 hike. Let's get it. Oh, it's gonna be so good. That was sick. I can't see anything. Oh, it's so flat. Okay, this is brutal. Ugh. That's what we rode last time. So on the traverse, I had a weird bump and I broke the pole. The hardest part is trying to get my brother in. Oh, he did it. He's in there. Oh, that's so much more mellow. Oh, wow. Dude, the sun just game changer. Yeah, I think this is as bright as it's gonna be. Yeah, boys.
We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go down. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest.
Oh, nicely done.
You want to do it again?
I would do it again.
It's always so rad when you can get a line like that, specifically on a skier. Oh, that's a porcupine. Hi, buddy. Sorry, I scared the crap out of him. That was crazy. Just rolled up on him doing his business. Feel so bad. Okay, we got one more of those hikes and drops in us. I think we could do that. One more. Alrighty, one more up. Hopefully we can have blue skies for this drop. Little tip when you're walking up a section like this. Kick hard, use your snowboard as like a tool. Kick up this. Like that. Textbook, Cody. See, the worst part isn't even that hike. It's this traverse has so much fresh snow on it from the last 3 days of them piling up the snow. So it's riding slower. Normally this is really firm. And then when you unstrap to kick, you're post holding pretty bad. Honestly, it's a little better. I feel like it's been smushed a little bit. First dropped those post holes when we were kicking. We're like knee deep. I can do this slow micro kicks. Little walking later, made it to the top. Nice sun window for this drop. All right, Cody, I'll see you at the bottom. Nobody's come in it yet. Oh, dang it. That's way steeper in real life. I've always gone right and never prayed around on this. Oh, yeah. Ooh. That was pretty rad. Woo! I love to stop and turn around and look at the line. Literally no one came in the way I came in. Sadly I fell. It's so good I want to do it again, but God, kicks your butt. Kind of just chilling over here waiting for Cody. I wonder what his line was like.
Johnathan told me to do this. It was so good.
If you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed the rad lines we got in the end of April, basically May. Absolutely insane. Love late season powder days. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. It's daily on the channel. We do stuff like this daily.